Want this?
Well, the thing is, like, YouTube.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to edit dramatic color grading in Inshot. Let's begin. Open Inshot and tap video. Select your clip. Tap filter and click adjust. Brightness -15. Contrast +10. Warmth +15. Saturation +5. Highlights -15. Shadow -20. Hue +10. Sharpen 50. Tap filter and select circus filter. Export video. Thanks for watching.